Hi guys, Steady Eddie here. This time heading up this rather delightful little alleyway in Nha Trang, Vietnam. Now this alleyway is close to the beach and it's also where my hotel is located, which I will be doing a review of later. But for now, I'm going to head to my favourite little restaurant, the one that I've grown very, very fond of. Hello. Hello. Okay, I'm coming in now. I'll go in there, yeah. Okay, here we go. Hello. How are you, right? Okay, I'll sit there, yeah? Okay, I'll sit there. My favourite seat. Little Jack Horner sits in the corner. Okay? Thank you, my buddy. There we go. Okay. There we go. She's the girl with the grub. Whoa, looks lovely. Beautiful. Wow, French fries. 35,000 dong, yes. And that is chicken, sweet and sour chicken at 70,000. And I think the bread and cheese, that's 30,000. So total amount 135,000 dong. Sounds good to me. Now this is a great little restaurant, just conveniently located just a few yards from my hotel. I don't know if you ever found this, you probably have, but when you're travelling, if you find the right little restaurant, you tend to go back there again and again. And this is exactly what I do at this place. Great value, terrific value, lovely service, and every meal I've had here is bang on target. I haven't had a bad meal yet, so I've been eating here for most of the time during my stay in Nha Trang. Well, I'm not the only one who thinks really highly of this restaurant. This really nice, charming Icelandic couple have also eaten here for most of their stay. There we go. Your names, please.
Okay, I'm Catherine.
Yes, and you're?
Malcolm.
Malcolm, okay.
We are from Iceland.
Okay, that is Iceland. I have to go there sometime.
Yeah.
I've heard that it's a fantastic landscape, and I just gotta go there.
Yeah.
I gotta go there and see it. Okay, cheers. Well, I'm pleased to say that even the drinks prices here are really good value. A nice 330 milliliter bottle of Heineken is 20,000 Vietnamese dong. That's less than $1 US. Who can resist that? Oh. Lovely stuff, yeah. Okay, I'll get back to you in a moment with the food, yeah? I'll get back to you in a moment with the food, yeah? Okay. Okay, so that was yesterday, and today is another day. And I'm back here again, my favourite reliable restaurant. Okay, so what's on the menu today? That banh mi bread at 6,000 Vietnamese dong is absolutely beautiful. I love the bread in Vietnam. Lovely crusty French bread, beautiful. You can also have bread with butter and garlic if you like, 25,000 Vietnamese dong. Now what have you got to eat? Bread with eggs and steak, 70,000 Vietnamese dong. Lovely stuff. I believe I had that the other day. French fries and chicken wing. Nice snack. French fries and beef. That is only £2 UK, and that is tasty. I did have that the other day. Lovely with the crusty banh mi bread. Now here's something different, French fries and ostrich, 80,000 Vietnamese dong. Ostrich, now this is something I've never had before. Oh, look what's coming here. Oh, look what's coming. He must have heard the word ostrich. Now, These beautiful creatures here, I don't know if you know this, but there's some places in the world where they actually use them to guard their property. They're the most majestic creatures, and really I always feel a little bit guilty when I'm eating an exotic animal like this. Just look at them. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. These are lethal. These are one kick from them and they could cut you in half. Oh look, he's got reinforcements now as well. I filmed this a couple of years ago in Turkey, and look at that fence there. That's not going to keep him out or in. Oh, look at him. Isn't he magnificent? Beautiful but deadly. Now you may be wondering, how did ostrich meat end up in Vietnam? Well, I believe the story is that somebody gave the Vietnamese government a gift of 10 ostrich eggs, and they started breeding them ever since. So basically ostrich meat is now on the menu in Vietnam, and let's give it a try. I always feel a little bit guilty when you're eating an exotic creature like that because, well, I don't mind eating pigs or chickens because, well, what else are they there for? But ostriches, you know, oh, that looks good, doesn't it? That looks good. Looks damn good. Fries go with anything. Sorry mate, but you're really tasty. You really, really are.
Yeah, I've got a nice little picture of it, okay. Oh, my bill's blown away, my bill's blown away. Good kill. Oh. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Ta-ra.
So, another great little tasty meal at that great little restaurant. Well, before I go, I want to show you what this little alleyway is all about. So close to the beach, this is where my hotel is based, and this is a great little alleyway, a real nice cozy feel to it. It's got a few massage parlours if you like that sort of thing, some nice restaurants, and also it's got a couple of really, really good convenience stores close by. So it's a little alleyway, a little hidden gem really. It's an alleyway with just about everything. So it's late afternoon, I've had a nice meal, and now a few little goodies to take back to my hotel room. And I wouldn't mind a nice bottle of something like that. A nice bottle of rum will do nicely for me. Now, they obviously haven't got my favourite, Lamb's Navy, but Captain Morgan isn't so bad. So let's see what the script is with Captain Morgan. Well, it's looking good. Lovely bottle of rum, 70 cl bottle of Captain Morgan for 300,000 Vietnamese dong, which is £10 in English money and less than 13 US dollars. This young lady thinks that this plastic bag here is what I'm going to put the bottle of rum in. No, I carry my wallet is a plastic bag. Oh, we all have strange little habits, don't we? Okay, so a nice bottle of rum, couple of chocky bars to take back to my hotel room. I've had a nice meal today, a good walk along the beach. The Trang is a wonderful climate, and I really like this little side street alleyway. Really feel very, very comfortable here. Convenience stores, nice restaurants, close to the beach, and a nice hotel, of course, which I will bring you a review of later. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. A big thanks to those who already have. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.